What is the value of the expression 7 times open parenthesis 7 minus 2 times 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Many people get tricked when solving such a simple question. Let's dive in and crush it together. Most people, as the first step to solve this question, go straight to the parentheses, which I have highlighted in yellow, and start with the expression 7 minus 2. So it becomes 7 times open parenthesis 5 times 2 close parenthesis. In the next step, they calculate the expression inside the parenthesis, which is 5 times 2. So this expression simplifies to 7 times 10, and finally, they get the answer 70. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, we'll start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. Alright, as you can see on the screen, inside the parentheses, we have a subtraction sign followed by a multiplication sign. First, we go for the multiplication, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, instead of this expression, we can write 7 times open parenthesis 7 minus 4 close parenthesis. In the next step, we do the subtraction between 7 and 4. So this expression simplifies to 7 times 3. And we get the final answer, which is 21. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.